If you want to set up SmartThings on the Samsung Galaxy A27, you just have to go to the app drawer and then over here go to the Samsung folder where you should be able to find SmartThings app over here. Now once you open the SmartThings app, you want to tap on continue over here and grant all of these permissions. Over here you also have an introduction to the SmartThings, so of course if you need to you can check it out, especially if you use SmartThings for the first time. You might want to get to know more about this app like this. And we can also skip in the upper right corner. Now, of course, you can grant access to the location for the app and some other permissions as well, just to make sure that everything works correctly. Over here, we can also see some prompts popping up here and there, especially if you use the app for the first time. So you can, of course, follow them if needed. But besides that, what you can do is, for example, you can use this plus button that we have in the upper right corner, and you can add a device or a service. You can also create a routine or invite members. So you can, of course, add multiple people into your home over here, which you can, of course, manage. And also you can switch to devices at the bottom in order to find your devices, all your appliances, for example. Here you can also use this plus button in order to add a device. You can scan a QR code or scan nearby if it is possible to detect another device wirelessly without using a QR code or anything. But besides that, you can of course tap on any of these two options to add a specific device. Other than that, here we also have these three dots where we can manage rooms and devices. So of course you can assign specific devices and appliances to specific rooms. If you want to, you can also create your own room. If you go to manage rooms, then over here we have this plus button, so you should be able to keep adding more and more rooms onto your house that you have here in the SmartThings app. Besides that, you can manage your locations as well. So if you have a couple of locations that you wish to have access to on your phone, then you can easily, of course, set it up as well and separate everything. Besides that, here we have some tips that you might want to check out in the live category. And also we have routines, of course. So if you want to automate some of your devices, if you want them, for example, to be manageable straight away automatically without your input, then of course you can set it up over here. You can create some sort of schedules, maybe some routines as it is written over here, and you should be able to create some automations. Besides that, here we have the menu where we can find some additional tips. Of course, we have the history and notifications. You can also find how to use the app, so in case you need to get a little bit more information about the app, then of course you can just check this out over here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.